Hey everybody, it's Russ. Today we visited Tom's Camperland in Mesa, Arizona, and they were kind enough to show Carrie and I how to dewinterize our little guy Max, so we thought we'd pass it on to you guys. Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
Hello everyone, this is Carrie from the Roads We Roam. We're here at Tom's Camperland today, and we have Tristan who's going to show us how to go through the dewinterization process. A lot of you have it winterized and you want to know how to properly do it, so he's going to give us a quick walkthrough on that. So let's go.
First off, we need to drain the winterization fluid out of the system first, and you do that with your low point drains. You have these two drains. You would open both of these up, and that will drain the pink winterization fluid out on the ground. Once it stopped dripping, you want to shut those back off so whenever you fill it with water, it doesn't start spraying down on the ground, okay? You would fill your water tank full of water, and then as far as your water heater, if you did drain the water tank out, you would want to put that plug back in place. Now we can go to the inside. All right, so down here in your water heater area, this is going to be on the driver's side front couch area. We remove this panel, so you'll have to have a Phillips screwdriver. That inside here, you'll notice there's some red and blue lines. There's 3 valves, 1, 2, 3. This is your splitter. So whenever it's winterized, this one will be parallel to the running lines, and the 2 other valves will be horizontal, so they're cutting off the flow. So we will reverse all of these. So your 2 lines that are going into the water heater, they'll be parallel, running into the tank, and then you'll cut this flow off. So that makes it run through the water heater and then into your hot water line. And then lastly, we'll just turn on your water pump right here, and then you would open up your hot and your cold lines on either side and start having your water flow until it starts running constant. It'll have some pink stuff running out. You'll want to hit your shower, your toilet, and your outside shower until it starts running clear, and then you're dewinterized.
All right everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, any tips, any comments, any concerns, please put them down below and we'll make sure to answer them just as soon as possible.